There is no substitute for hard work. There is a little luck along the way, but there is no substitute for really super hard work. First in, last out. Imagine being in control of $4 trillion. Welcome to the fascinating story of Mary Callahan Erdoes, the American CEO of JPMorgan Chase's asset and wealth management line of business. She has received numerous accolades throughout her career, and in 2020, she was named to Fortune's list of the most powerful women in business for the 9th consecutive year. She was also named to the Forbes list of the world's most powerful women and the Time 100 most influential people in the world. With a net worth of $150 million, Mary oversees $4 trillion in client assets, making her one of the most successful CEOs in the world. But how did she get to the top? Let's start from the beginning. Mary Callahan Erdoes was born on August 13, 1967, in Westport, Connecticut, USA. She grew up in a family of 6 children, and her parents, both lawyers, instilled in her a strong work ethic and a desire to achieve her goals. As a child, Mary was a dedicated student and athlete, excelling in both academics and sports. Mary attended the Hotchkiss School in Connecticut for high school, and then went on to earn a bachelor's degree in mathematics from Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. She credits her maternal grandmother for playing a crucial role in securing her college job, which she said was similar to that of a mailroom clerk. Mary continued her education by obtaining an MBA from Harvard Business School, where she met some guy named Philip, who later became her husband. Now wait a minute, you might be thinking. How am I supposed to benefit from this? I didn't graduate from Harvard. While this may be true, and while you may not have a handsome husband named Philip, understanding Mary's career is important if you want to win the game that is money. I think the US economy wants to be strong. It wants to be. Mary quickly realized that she could not always count on US markets. In order to beat the market, which 96% of people fail to do, she needed to think outside of the box. After completing her MBA, Mary began a career in finance, working at several investment banks, including Bankers Trust and Meredith. In 1996, she joined JPMorgan as a fixed-income trader and quickly rose through the ranks. She became the head of fixed income trading and then the head of the asset management division. Under her leadership, JPMorgan Chase has become one of the largest and most respected investment managers and private banks in the world. One of the reasons for Mary's success is her ability to deliver consistent returns year after year. Even when US markets are down, she is able to make money for JPMorgan Chase. How, you might ask? Frontier markets. A frontier market is a term used to describe a developing economy that is smaller and less mature than an emerging market. These markets are characterized by high potential for growth, but also high levels of risk and uncertainty due to factors such as political instability, weak institutions, and limited access to capital markets. Some examples of frontier markets include Afghanistan, Angola, and Azerbaijan. Despite the challenges, frontier markets can offer attractive investment opportunities for those willing to take on the risk, particularly in industries such as agriculture, infrastructure, and natural resources. Mary believes that investing in these markets is essential for long-term success, and by doing so, she has helped to diversify JPMorgan's portfolio and deliver strong returns to clients, no matter the condition of US markets. Mary thought outside of the box, and so should we. Get outside of your bubble. If you want to make money like no one has ever before. Try everything, and don't be afraid of what seems impossible. There are countless untapped investment opportunities waiting to be discovered, and it's up to us to explore them. By stepping out of our comfort zones and taking calculated risks, we can potentially unlock incredible returns and make a real impact. It's not enough to simply follow the crowd or stick to what's familiar. True success requires innovation, creativity, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Of course, this doesn't mean we should throw caution to the wind and invest blindly in unproven ventures. Rather, we should approach each opportunity with a critical eye and do our due diligence to ensure we're making informed decisions. This might involve researching new markets, analyzing industry trends, and seeking out expert advice. It might also mean being willing to pivot or adjust our strategies as we gather more information. Ultimately, the key to success is to be open-minded and flexible. The world is constantly changing, and the most successful investors are those who can adapt and evolve with it. So take a cue from Mary and explore what so many overlook. Who knows what amazing opportunities you might discover? Clients are becoming more global. They're realizing that markets are more interconnected. It's no longer the local regional clients buying the local regional flavors. It's everybody asking for everything. There will always be competition. There will always be setbacks. But even in the toughest times, there will always be opportunity. The question is whether or not you'll make the effort. In the words of Mary Callahan Erdoes, you should worry just as much about great performance as you do about underperformance. Be the first one in and the last one out.